If your card got declined right now and your balance read zero, what would you do? No paycheck, no cushion, and rent due in 7 days while you're standing at checkout. In the next 6 minutes, I'll give you the first 5 steps to rebuild safely. You open your bank app, refresh twice, and it still shows zeros across every account. Your fridge has condiments, your gas light is on, and your phone bill is tonight. This isn't a theory. The danger isn't being broke for a moment. It's panic decisions that trap you for months. So our plan is simple. Stabilize today, stop leaks tomorrow, then restart income fast again. You're not fixing your whole life tonight. You're buying time and options first for yourself. Step 1. Write a one-page reality list of what must be paid within 72 hours. Include shelter, food, transportation, phone access, and any medication you can't skip this week at all. Then gather documents and logins, because you can't apply anywhere without them quickly today either. Step 2. Protect your basics by calling, not hiding. Before a bill becomes a crisis, call your landlord and ask for a short extension or payment split with exact dates. Call your phone provider for a hardship plan, so your number stays active for interviews. To buy a week of breathing room, list 2 unused items for sale tonight online. Take bright photos, meet in a public place, and keep receipts like a grown-up always. Also, apply for any local assistance and ask one friend for Step 3. Stop the bleeding by canceling every subscription and trial you forgot existed today. Open your App Store subscriptions, hit cancel, and screenshot confirmations so nothing reactivates accidentally later. Then call utilities and internet and ask for the cheapest plan for the next 30 days. For 2 weeks, go cash only or debit only, because overspending happens fastest on autopilot usually anyway. Set a daily spending cap, put it in an envelope, and leave the rest at home. Write every purchase in your phone notes so you see leaks before they grow bigger. Step 4. Restart income fast with the quickest paid hours you can get, not perfection. Apply to hourly work today. Delivery shifts, warehouse roles, dishwashing, night security, anything legal nearby. Your goal is cash flow within 14 days. At the same time, sell a simple skill: cleaning, tutoring, pet sitting, or basic tech help. Write one message and send it to 10 people. What you do, price, and availability. Walk into nearby shops with a one-page resume and ask, calmly, who's hiring now, today? Step 5. Build a rebuild system, so your next paycheck doesn't disappear into chaos again. Use a zero-based plan. Give every incoming dollar a job before you spend anything else. Schedule a weekly 20-minute review with a calendar reminder, like brushing your teeth actually daily. Your first target isn't huge. Build a tiny buffer of 500, then 1,000, then 1 month. Even 10 per day counts, because consistency beats intensity when you're rebuilding from zero today. Set an automatic transfer on payday, so the buffer happens before you can talk yourself out. If you have debts, don't vanish and don't grab fast cash loans with brutal fees either. Call the lender, ask about hardship options, and request late fees paused while you stabilize. Pay minimums to protect your accounts. Then attack the smallest balance first for momentum quickly. Here's the math behind the order. First, you lower daily burn. Then you raise income. If essentials cost $35 a day, that's about $1,050 per month just to exist, barely. Cutting 10 per day saves $300 monthly, which is basically a utility bill and groceries. Now, add income. 3 extra shifts per week at $80 each is $960 per month. Combine that with the $300 saved, and you've created $1,260 of space without magic at all. That space pays past due bills, builds your buffer, and buys time to find better work. So the fix is a timeline. Today, write the reality list and make 3 calls. Within 72 hours, sell 2 items, apply for assistance, and cancel every subscription you can. Within 14 days, get paid hours on the calendar, even if the job isn't your dream. Within 30 days, run weekly reviews, automate a tiny transfer, and track spending daily again. The point isn't being perfect, it's being consistent when life tries to knock you down. If you do these 5 steps in order, you rebuild stability first, then growth follows. If you want to comment which step would be hardest for you and what's stopping you, Hit like and subscribe for practical plans, because the next video might be your lifeline. This is education, not financial advice. Your situation is unique, so verify everything before acting.